Imagine waking up every morning knowing that today could be the day everything changes. The day you take that one step, make that one decision, or push a little harder toward your dreams. But most people don't. They wait, they hesitate, they fear failure. Success isn't about luck or talent. It's about habits, mindset, and action. And today, we're going to talk about the habits that will transform your life. So, are you ready to change your future? Let's begin. Nothing in life is worthwhile without taking risks. Think about it. Every great achievement started with a risk. Nelson Mandela once said, "There is no passion to be found in playing small, in settling for a life that is less than the one you are capable of living." Most people fear failure, so they play it safe. But safe won't take you anywhere new. Don't have a fall-back plan, have a fall-forward plan. That means when you fail, you're still moving forward, still learning, still growing. Every risk you take is a step towards something greater. So what risk are you avoiding right now? Maybe it's time to take that leap. Most people follow the same path: study, work, retire. But the ones who change the world, they think differently. Without creativity, without risk, nothing new happens. If you want something extraordinary, you have to do what others won't. Be consistent. Keep pushing. Success doesn't come overnight. Steve Jobs, Elon Musk, Oprah, none of them played by the rules. They followed their passion, took chances, and thought beyond limits. Failure? That's part of the journey. But if you never think outside the box, you'll stay stuck inside it. Reggie Jackson struck out 2,600 times. But do people remember that? No, they remember his home runs. Thomas Edison failed 1,000 times before inventing the light bulb. Imagine if he had quit at failure number 999. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's a part of it. Every mistake teaches you something. Every setback builds resilience. So the next time you fail, don't give up. Instead, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? Because every failure is just one step closer to winning. Let's be real. Failure is going to happen. No one escapes it. The question is, what will you do when it does? Denzel Washington. He failed multiple auditions before landing his first big role. J.K. Rowling. Rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter became a global success. Rejection, setbacks, embarrassment. These are all part of the process, but most people let failure stop them instead of using it to grow. The secret? Keep moving forward. Because if you quit, the failure wins. But if you keep going, success is just a matter of time. You've probably heard this saying before. If you hang around the barbershop long enough, you'll get a haircut. What does that mean? It means keep showing up. Denzel Washington failed his first audition at a famous theater. But did he give up? Years later, he returned, not as an actor auditioning, but as the star of the show. Success isn't just about talent, it's about persistence. You may not win today or tomorrow, but if you keep showing up, keep improving, keep learning, eventually your moment will come. What's stopping you? Is it fear? Fear of failing? Fear of looking foolish? Fear of wasting time? But here's the truth. If you're not willing to fail, you'll never achieve anything great. Imagine being on your deathbed, surrounded by the ghosts of your unfulfilled potential, the ideas you never acted on, the dreams you were too scared to chase, the talents you never shared with the world. Do you really want to take your dreams to the grave? Or will you act now, before it's too late? Fear is normal, but don't let it control you. The only real failure is never trying at all. You have something the world needs. Your skills, your passion, your voice. Someone out there is waiting for it. Look around. There are people struggling, communities that need help, problems that need solving. And the truth is, not everyone will step up, but you can. It doesn't matter if you're a writer, an artist, a leader, or a thinker. Your unique gifts, whether financial, intellectual, or emotional, can make a difference. South Africa, the Middle East, your own neighborhood, there are places that need change. And that change starts with you. Don't just exist, contribute. Because when you give to the world gives back to you. Most people think success is a straight line. You pick a path, work hard, and everything falls into place. But life doesn't work like that. Denzel Washington started as a pre-med student. Then he switched to political science, then journalism. He struggled, he failed, he had no clear direction. But one day he found his passion, acting, and that changed everything. Your path may not be clear right now. You might fail, get lost, or feel stuck. But that doesn't mean you're off track. It just means you're on your journey. Keep moving, keep exploring. The path to success is never straight, but it always leads somewhere worth going. Sometimes life gives you a sign, but will you believe it? One day, Denzel Washington was in his mother's beauty shop when an old woman looked at him and said, "You're going to speak to millions." At the time, he didn't understand. He wasn't famous, he wasn't successful. He was just another kid trying to figure out life. But years later, that prophecy came true. The lesson: you might not see it yet, but your future is already unfolding. Pay attention to the signs, trust the journey, and most importantly, believe in yourself even before anyone else does. So, what's the takeaway from all of this? Simple: fall forward. Every risk you take, every failure you face, every lesson you learn, it's all shaping your future. Don't let fear stop you. Don't let setbacks break you. The people you meet, the risks you take, the faith you have, these are what define your life. You have a purpose, you have a gift, and the world is waiting for you to use it. So go out there, take that chance, chase that dream, and if you fall, fall forward. Every day is a new opportunity to transform your life. You hold the power to change your future, and it starts with the habits you build today. So, take risks, embrace failure, keep showing up, and remember, the world needs you. Keep moving forward, and the life you dream of will be within reach. Don't wait. Start now.